Good morning, boys and girls. Mr. Holmstrom here. This is a Makerspace tutorial on how to sign in and begin an artist project. First step is signing in. You, as students, click on the red box. I'm a little different as a teacher. Once you're in, you go to the top. There should be the word projects at the top. Click on the word projects. Once you're on the project page, you're going to go to the bottom. Now at the bottom, you should see your PlayLab project that you had started the other day and we had renamed to PlayLab. We are not opening that. We're actually starting a new project today. So we have to go back up into our list up here. Now it is an artist project that we're beginning, but it is not this artist. So do not be confused. Please don't click on this artist. Click on View Full List, go to the bottom. Right next to where we were last time on PlayLab Pre-Reader, you're going to Artist Pre-Reader. Click on Artist Pre-Reader. When you open that up, the number one most important thing that you do is rename. Click on Rename. Delete everything in the box. Type in your name first and last would be helpful. And then I want you, the last time we called it PlayLab, this time I want you to call it Artist. I have a little code after the word artist. I want you to type P1, letter P, and then number 1. That stands for Artist Project number 1, because this is the first one we've done. Click on Save once you have your name, Artist P1 typed in. Now, as far as the mission for today, what is the goal? What do I want you to do by the end of the class period? I want you to get our artist here to draw a square in the game area by coding it in the workspace. So how are we going to do that? There is literally a million different ways to do this, because we could start by going in any direction to draw our square, right? But what I'm going to do is I am going to start by going north. Now, one thing that you can do that I'm going to show you is, if you're a little confused about which directions it's going to take, you could say, well, I'll draw it out. So let's say I'm starting right here. I'm going to have the artist go north. Okay, so I put the artist in to go north. And she does. So how could I get her to complete a square now? Well, I could have her go to the east. Then I could have her go to the south, and then I could have her go to the west. So if I look at my drawing, I went north, east, south, west. So if I go in and I put in all those coding blocks, north, east was the next one, south after that, and west, I've used a drawing to help me with my coding. Now, do you have to do that? Absolutely not. But it's one way that can help you make sure your coding is going to be correct. Let's see if we did it. And we did. She drew that square very quickly. If we wanted to slow the artist down here is the speed. You can go between a turtle, which goes very slow, and a rabbit, which goes very fast. I'm going to put the speed kind of in the middle, reset, and run. Now, after you're done that, you're done the mission. So if you finish that, what I want you to do is play with some of the things down here. There's colors you can draw in, like for instance, if I wanted her to draw in red, I would put the color first. That's like telling the artist, before you start drawing, I want you to get the red marker out of your box and draw the north, east, south, west in red. And she will. There's patterns that she can draw in, hearts and diamonds and smiley faces. She can draw in different directions. There are stickers that she can put on there. So once you're done the square, you can do whatever you want. As long as you've signed in, named it, and drawn that square, whatever you want to do after that is fine with me. Thank you.